Have you ever wondered how tasty cookies are made? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel No Logic. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Today we're going behind the scenes to see how your favorite cookies are made right here in our factory. It all starts with the finest ingredients. Flour is stored in these massive silos. The flour is carefully sifted to ensure it's free of any impurities. Next, the flour is transported to the mixing room. Here, it's combined with sugar, butter, eggs, and other secret ingredients to create the perfect dough. Once the dough is ready, it's time to shape it into cookies. The dough is fed into a machine that cuts it into uniform pieces. Now it's off to the ovens. Our ovens are specially designed to bake the cookies evenly and to perfection. Temperature and baking time are crucial. Our ovens are set to the perfect temperature to ensure each cookie comes out just right. After baking, the cookies need to cool. They're transferred to cooling conveyors where they gradually reach room temperature. Quality control is a key part of our process. Every batch of cookies is sampled and inspected to make sure they meet our high standards. We check for taste, texture, and appearance. Only the best cookies make it to packaging. Once the cookies pass inspection, they're ready for packaging. Our automated packaging line wraps the cookies and prepares them for shipping. Our packaging ensures that the cookies stay fresh and delicious until they reach your home. Finally, the packaged cookies are sent to our distribution center. From here, they're shipped to stores all over the country. We work around the clock to make sure your favorite cookies are always available. And there you have it. From the finest ingredients to your local store. That's how our delicious cookies are made. Thanks for joining us on this tasty journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos.